Episode 24 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach in this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out a pack to open every day. Today she's picked Surging Sparks, which we have opened a couple of times on this series, but we've pulled nothing good so far, so we're hoping for an illustration rare today. And don't forget, every pull in these packs are going into a binder that I'm going to give away at the end of the year should I hit 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. And Surging Sparks and Journey Together must have had a reprint in the UK, because these are the only two sets that I can get at retail price at the moment. I still haven't seen no Ascended Heroes, but hopefully we'll add some of those packs in soon. And can we add something good to the binder? No, we can't. The illustration rare still eludes us. Binder's shaping up nicely. That's day 24 done. I'll see you tomorrow for day 25.